So when you purchase your next vertical machining centre, are you going to go back to your existing supplier, or are you going to try and look at other options available in the market? If it's the latter, here's one for you. I'm at the FANUC showroom in Germany. These machines are sold in the UK by DTS. I'm going to show you 3 machines that are new to them. This is the premium line. This is a Stahlwerk machine, which stands for steel working. Good place to start. Pretty heavy machines, capable of machining not just soft aluminiums, but steels and stainlesses. We've seen this machine, in fact, in action today on stainless. Now, this first one, which is the Vector 1000M, this has got 1100 by 550, so 1100 x-axis by 550 in the Y. You get a table load there of 800 kilograms on this machine, so it just shows you it's not just for small components. As you go up and look at the tool changer here as well, we've got the twin arm 24 station tool changer on this machine. The spindle on here, we've got a 10,000 RPM spindle. The machines are all BT40, and this one is no different, a BT40 machine. And this machine actually weighs just over 5 tons. Double door with new glass in here, which I'm told it's much more durable than what they used to offer on their machines. We all know that when you're machining and you've got swarf flying around inside the machines, or you break a tool, you can smash your glass, and you don't want that, and here's the option to possibly avoid that. SIEMENS control on this model that is actually, as you can see here, does move on the arm, so you can actually position it when you're trying to set the machine. Nice from a setter and operator's perspective. The machines are available with FANUC as well. Obviously comes with all your gadgets like your hand wheels. We've got coolant flood wash on here. We've got through spindle coolant. We've got a swarf conveyor. I'm told that they specify or spec the machines up quite heavily here, as I just alluded to there. This is the second machine. This is the 850, slightly smaller, the working envelope on this machine. This is actually just 1 meter by 550. This is the Vector 850M. Comes with the same options as standard as the other machine we just looked at, the 24 station tool changes, the 10,000 RPM spindle BT40. It's just got that slightly smaller working envelope on this machine, so if you don't need to go for over 1 meter in the X, then the 850M is an option. Again, you're presented there with the SIEMENS 828 control, which does have shop mill. This is the Vector 650. This is the last of the 3 machines we're going to look at here. This is then, I suppose you could class it as the baby of the range. We're now down to 800mm X-axis, 550mm in the Y-axis. You can still get 600 kilograms on this table though. All these machines have, or driven by roller guide ways, so they are fast machines. All the tool changers, twin arms, as I said, and as you can see there, you've got the 24 station tool changer. All these machines, this is another option for you. If you're looking at a vertical machining centre, considering a new purchase, then one of these 3 may fit the bill. Contact DTS in the UK at dtsuk.co.uk.